Hi, I'm Simo from CustomTools team. In CustomTools 2022 SP1, we added these two new special values available for using in DXF nodes, body number and total body count. You might find them useful if you have a file conversion rule that produces merged DXF files of the same material and thickness, and you want to use the nodes to identify all bodies of each part. For instance, when you are doing the nesting of the DXF cuts. Here I have a multi-body sheet metal part, and let's see how CustomTools executes this predefined operation with it. Note that in print and convert you are not limited to single parts. In fact, it is designed to handle entire structures at once. Now that the process is complete, we can examine the results. Thank you for choosing CustomTools.
We are in the life-saving business. We kill your routines before they kill you.